Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another vlog. I truly missed vlogging. I feel like it's been forever since I've grabbed the camera and vlogged for you guys, but today it's going to be a catching up kind of day. I haven't vlogged since the launch day. I still need to edit the brand launch behind the scenes vlog, which hopefully it's up before this one, but if not, it's going to be next, of course. I'm starting to feel a little bit more normal back into my routine. So today I am going to be organizing by all aspects of the word. So organizing the apartment, organizing my planner, and all of that, because honestly, I just have been all over the place, just crocheting and trying to finish up orders. I have like 5 left that I need to get done. So I'll probably crochet a little bit today, but I am just going to clean and organize. First things first, the bedroom, which is currently a hot mess.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
All right, so before I continue to clean and organize for the day, I decided to get dressed up and show you guys a quick jewelry haul from Monica Vinader. I am wearing these shorts from Express and this all top that I crocheted last summer. I'm not sure if I'm going to do my makeup just yet, but honestly, getting dressed for the day feels a lot better. So let's quickly show you guys my new favorite jewelry. Today's video is sponsored by Monica Vinader, which is an 100% recycled gold and silver jewelry, fully recycled packaging, and 100% carbon neutral delivery, which is amazing. But aside from all that, their jewelry is seriously to die for and the best quality ever. So I got all of these pieces right here, which I can't wait to show you, but I love the packaging first and foremost. Each jewelry comes individually packed. This is what the little card looks like. Starting with this beautiful bracelet. It's like a chain with a little rim, and I got the matching necklace. This is what it looks like. Seriously, like the detail of these pieces are to die for. You guys know how much I love rings and stacking rings and wearing rings, so of course I had to get a gold one. This is what it looks like. Excuse my nails, I need to paint them. This is what the ring looks like. It has like a beautiful detail up close. I also got these beautiful hoop earrings, which I think these are the perfect size. I actually thought they were going to be bigger than what they are, but I personally prefer this size a lot more. But as you can see, it has like a beautiful detail all throughout, which makes it shine even more. And then I got some ear cuffs. These are from the same collection as the ring, but that's what this one looks like. I've been wanting an ear cuff for the longest, so I can't wait to rock this. And then I got these cute little huggies slash earrings, which are my go-to. So I'm going to quickly style these for you guys so you can see how they look like on. Alright, so this is what they all look like on. I have the huggies on this side and the hoops on this side. But you guys, I just cannot get over this necklace. I am so obsessed with it. And also the bracelet. And the fact that the bracelet fits me is like to die for, because bracelets normally don't fit me too well. And I also love the ring. If you guys have been looking for good quality dainty jewelry, this is it. Definitely check out Monica Vinader. I'm going to be linking all of these pieces down below for you guys. They were also kind enough to give me a discount code, which I'll list on the screen and also in the description. But I am so in love with all of these pieces. All right, so I finished picking up as much as I could in the living room, kitchen, and bedroom, but not the office. So I'm not going to show you guys the office because honestly, it has been such a mess since I started Not the Label. I also have my little nest right here, which is what we like to call it. This is where I normally sit and crochet for hours. I actually need to sit down sometime today and crochet a few pieces. But before I do so, I wanted to plan for the month because I actually haven't even done that this month since I've been so busy with Not the Label. But I'm going to plan for the month even though we only have like a week and a half left of July. I don't know where time is going, you guys, but it's truly flying. Just finished planning for the month. I am now going to make a quick snack and a smoothie, so let's get to that. Just finished having a quick snack, so I'm now going to try to crochet for a bit and also do some computer work on bed because it's just that kind of day. Alright, so I think I'm going to end the night with a relaxing face mask because honestly, my skin needs it. It has been working out lately. So you can see I have some like acne scars. So I am using the Origins Out of Trouble face mask. Wow, this smells delicious. I'm going to now prep for a bubble bath and just relax for the rest of the night. But before I do so, I want to remind you guys to make sure to check Monica Vinader's jewelry. I swear you guys are going to love it. And also make sure to use the 20% discount code, which will be linked below with all of the pieces. But let's show you guys my bubble bath essentials. All right, so for today's bath, these are the things that I'm going to be using. As you guys know, I love Kneipp's Mineral Bath Salt, so I'm going to use this one that was recently sent to me, as well as the bath oil. But this one is new in my collection, which is from Equilibria. It's the CBD Mineral Salt infused with jasmine and gardenia. So I'm excited to try this out. And I will also be using this new Prima Body Oil, which also has CBD. So I'm going to use this and massage my legs with this little paddle. It basically helps, this situation helps for cellulite. So I'm excited to try out the little combo, but yeah, that's my bath of the night.